Which applications and actions are used to define field editing rules for work orders in various status? Option A. Domains application, edit rules action. Option B. Administration application, domains action. Option C. Database configuration application, attribute rules action. Option D. Organizations application, work order options and edit rules action. The correct answer is option D. Which type of domain cannot have a lookup created for it? Option A. Table. Option B. Numeric. Option C. Synonym. Option D. Numeric range. The correct answer is option D. Which two options are valid sets of portlets on the Start Center? Choose 2. What is a feature of the integration framework? Option A. Favorite applications, KPI Manager. Option B. Result set, Quick Insert, Communications. Option C. Actions, Bulletin Board, Inbox/Assignments. Option D. Favorite applications, KPI Graph, Bulletin Board. Option E. Result set, KPI List, Quick Insert, Inbox/Assignments. Option A. It supports bulk importing of XML or flat files. Option B. It supports dynamic XML integration file format. Option C. It supports sequential and random access files. Option D. It supports artificial intelligence language integrations such as Prolog. The correct answer is option A. A company is about to implement an inbound integration based on interface tables. When testing the integration, the developers notice the data is not being properly imported to the database and they are able to identify errors in the log files. How is the root cause of the problem identified? Option A. Review the XML code. Option B. Recreate the interface tables from the external system application. Option C. Verify the messages in the JMS queues and drop all error messages. Option D. Use the message reprocessing application to review, modify, and reprocess the inbound messages. The correct answer is option D.